Hello everyone, welcome to the Google Cloud Platform tutorials. In this video, we are going to work on Introduction to SQL for BigQuery and Cloud SQL. And first of all, we need to sign in into our Quick Labs account and open this particular lab and sign in with your given credentials and open your Google console. Soon after you open your Google console, the first step that we need to proceed is to activate our Cloud Shell. Activate your Cloud Shell and start performing the commands that were provided to us. Before giving some of the commands in the Cloud Shell, we are going to search the word which is London bicycle hires. Click on it and proceed with it. And it is going to open and we need to click on this view dataset. As you could see, a new tab is opened and we have to create a new project with the name called BigQuery Public Data. And here we could able to see that the project already exists and we need to be assured that both the project IDs are same. The thing that was provided to us and the project ID that has been displayed in the BigQuery tab. As you could see, both the projects are same. And now in BigQuery Public Data, we need to click on London Bicycles. Click on this. And then in that we need to click on cycle hire. And a query editor, we got it here. And these are all the details of the table. We got a schema here with the field name, type, mode. And then we need to do some operations in this query editor by providing some of the commands. And just click on run. and then click on compose new query, and we are going to use another command. If we look at the questions that are given to us here, and here the answer would be BigQuery, a fully managed petabyte scale data warehouse that runs on the Google Cloud is the BigQuery, and projects contain data sets, and data sets contain tables. And yes, the answer is going to be true. The next question, with BigQuery you can access datasets shared publicly from other Google projects, and even for this the answer is also going to be true. And this query has been run, and we are going to use some of the SQL keywords here, that includes group by, count as, and order by. For this we are going to click on compose new query once again and give your query here and click on run. We are going to get the same output in the bottom of the page, and soon after that you are going to use the keyword count use this query and click on run. And the next keyword we are going to use is as, and this query it is used to create the aliasing. And the next keyword that we are going to use is order by, whereas in order by we are going to get the data either in the ascending order or else in the descending order. So we are going to use these commands to get this order by keyword. And just click on run and copy the next command and click on compose new query and copy your query here. And the last query that we are going to use for the order by command is this. And don't forget to click on save results. Just click on save here. And looking into these questions, aggregates rows that share common criteria and will return all the unique entries found for such criteria. And this would be according to the keyword called group by. We'll check whether is it correct or not. A SQL function will count and return the number of rows that share common criteria. As you could see, the answer would be count here itself. Create an alias of a table or column. Here answer would be as. Sorts the return data from a query in ascending or descending order based on a specified criteria or column value. As we have looked earlier, the answer would be order by. Now we are going to work with Cloud SQL. For that, copy this query here and get back to the BigQuery and click on Compose New Query and paste this. Click on Run, and soon after that click on Save Results, and here we are going to save it in the local file, CSV local file, and just click on Save. And after that, click on Compose New Query and copy this query. And click on Run. And even this, we need to save it in the local file. Click on Save Results, and here save it to the CSV local file and click on the Save option. And now get back to the navigation menu and find the storage here. Click on the storage option. The thing that we need to do is to upload CSV files to the cloud storage. So for that, we need to create a bucket and name that bucket. And some of the specifications need to be given to that bucket. Click on Create Bucket option here. The bucket name is going to be our project ID. Give the name of the project bucket as project ID and click on Continue. And just directly click on this button, Create. And here the bucket has been created, and the thing that we need to do is to upload these files, and for that click on upload files. Go to the downloads and upload the file that we have downloaded earlier. And upload another file. And two files have been uploaded here. And we'll check whether we have created a cloud storage bucket or not. And as you can see, we have completed the task here until the. And moving to the next step, the next step that we need to do is to change the names of these files. So for that, click on these three dots, and we could able to find the rename option here. Change the name of the file to start station name. We are going to change it to start station data.csv. Click on rename here and change the name of the other file also. And the other name is going to be end station data.csv. And we are going to check whether the task is completed or not up to here. And the next task is to create a Cloud SQL instance. For that, get back to the navigation menu and find SQL there. And here we are going to create an instance. So for that, click on create instance. For creating an instance, we are going to select MySQL here. The instance ID is going to be Quick Labs Demo, and the root password, we are going to give it some password. And just click on create. And for the creation of this instance, it usually takes some time. We need to wait until the instance is getting created. If we look into the next step that we are going to do is new queries in Cloud SQL. We are going to use some of the keywords, and here we are going to use this create keyword. For that, we need to activate our Cloud Shell that we have done earlier. And wait for this instance to get created. Our instance got created here, and we are going to use our Cloud Shell now. To activate a Cloud Shell, we are going to give this command, and then check our project ID. Give this gcloud config list project. As we have used the same instance ID name as Quick Labs demo, we are going to use the same command. And it is going to take some time, and after some time it is going to ask a password. Enter your password and click enter. Give these queries. And we have created a database called bike here in the MySQL server. So our task has been completed. And this is all about introduction to SQL for BigQuery and Cloud SQL. Thank you for watching.